So what I'll be doing is soaking my nails off. I am going to have my nails in this warm water with any type of oil, anything to keep your hands soft. And you want to leave your nails soaking for at least 5 to 7 minutes, 10 minutes, just depending on how much glue you applied onto the nail the first time. So you want to make sure that you're soaking the nails so they can be very easy for you to remove. Um, I'm going to have a little tool that I use to help me remove the nails, and that way you can reuse them. And if you have like a mini nail drill, I advise you to like purchase like a inexpensive mini nail drill. That way when you remove your nails and it's nail glue on the nail, you can just gently drill it off and reuse your nail again. So yeah, just stay tuned and continue watching. So what you'll see me doing is sticking my nails back into the water because they were a little harder to come off. So I'm gonna let them soak for 3 more minutes. Then I will take my tool again and just pop them off. So yeah, just continue watching.